This is Shakarpadiya area, which is National Park of Islamabad under the master plan, but thousands of trees have been cut from this area during last few weeks. CDA claims that only paper mulberry trees causing pollen allergy have been cut.
About 3 years ago, I guess in 2022 or 2023, Islamabad High Court made a decision, passed a judgment that all of these paper mulberry trees should be cut. No construction is being carried out in green, dedicated green zones. The Magla enclave that you mentioned, permissions have been sought and the permissions have been granted.
There has to be a proper plan. Even if there is some kind of construction work to be done, it cannot happen at the cost of environment. It cannot happen at the cost of the urban biodiversity. It cannot happen at the cost of clean air, which is most needed.
When Islamabad was announced as a capital, at that time Islamabad inherited only 18,000 acres of the forest. When it was declared as a national park, CDA gave its purchased land for this national park, and now it is 39,130 acres, which is a huge area.
After widespread criticism by the residents of Islamabad, CDA has started this massive tree plantation campaign under which 18,000 plants are being planted only in this area.
प्रीवियसली 2025 में जो एक कमेटी बनी थी उसमें हमारे बोर्ड मेंबर इसमें शामिल थे. वो F9 पार्क की कटिंग हुई थी. सेकंड फेज़ जो इन्होंने किया है तो इसमें इंटीमेशन जो है वो रेलिवेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स को नहीं की गई, जिस हवाले से अगर वो करना भी था तो उस करने से पहले नो डाउट कोई पब्लिक हियरिंग होती.
इकोलॉजिकल रूल्स है, रेगुलेशंस है या इकोलॉजिकल अप्रोच है और जो बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस है उसके मुताबिक करें ना. ऐसे तो नहीं है कि पूरे इस्लामाबाद को पहले मतलब एक छठील मैदान बनाए और उसके बाद उसमें प्लांटेशन शुरू करें.
It has been declared environmentally sensitive area. If you just have a picture the Google image 4-5 years back, this Shakarpadiya area is the greenest area of Islamabad. To me, CD has no consideration for maintaining the green character of the city as provided in the master plan of Islamabad.